Yo, what's up? It's me. I'm here at the not so well known Sri, what is it? Chasri Vebol, something like that. Anyway, I'm here at a dilapidated and falling apart ruins temple in Cambodia to talk to you about a very interesting topic regarding ephemerality and scopes of existence. So, what do I mean by that? Well, ephemerality means ephemeral. It means temporary and not permanent, impermanent. And scopes of existence kind of are like, imagine your life as a human. It's very easy to think, oh wow, I've done this my whole life. That's so long of a time. And yes, relative to you, it is. However, to the lifespan of a redwood tree, for example, that can live for hundreds of years, versus a human or even a sea turtle that can live for a while. Or let's look at a eon-year-old temple. Say that as well. Your lifespan is virtually nothing. So it's an interesting way to think about it. Think about life and stuff relative to an infant. The adult has an infinite life. It can seem as though the adult lives forever from the perspective of the kid. Yeah. I just thought this was a really interesting place to do that because of how clearly described what ephemerality means. I mean, granted, from my perspective and where I came into the timeline of the shared reality that we call life, this is so old to me. Even to my parents, this is so old to me. And my grandparents, this is so old to them. It's just about, we're looking at relative time frames, and this is a really great place to see that, because to the planet, this was here yesterday. So it's just an interesting thing to think about, kind of giving you a different viewpoint, different perspective. And yeah, cool. Ephemerality, scopes of existence, another cool thing to think about. And with that said, I'm going to finish up training and head back to our hostel, and I will see you guys next time.